Students, today we will be starting a new lesson called as Project Sunshine. What is the name of the lesson? Project Sunshine. Sunshine. What do you mean by project? I think you would have done all in your second standard and first standard and all. You used to take a book and used to do all the project works and all, isn't it? So, but this is not that kind of project. Something they're doing physically. Okay, some task has been given to the students and they are doing the project. Okay. So here there are two friends. Name of those friends are Jeet and Rakesh. What is the name of the friends? Jeet, Rakesh. Okay. These two were very close friends actually, and they were talking something about the EVS project. It is regarding the EVS project. Jeet and his friend Rakesh were talking about the EVS project. Jeet asked Rajesh what he was making. Rajesh could not hide his excitement. I am making a model of a school with my dad. What about you? So, Jeet and Rakesh were having a small conversation. They were talking with themselves, okay. They were very close and they were planning to do some project work. So, Jeet asked Rakesh what he was making. Rakesh could not hide his excitement. He was very excited, very curious, and he was very excited to do the project work. I am making a model of a school. What do you mean by model? Same thing. Whatever is done, they are doing the same kind of a thing. Okay. Suppose model means you just construct with the blocks and everything. Okay. That he is saying that I am making model of a school with my dad. What about you? Jeet made a face. If only I could figure that out, he muttered. Muttered means he was just telling in a low, pleasing voice. Okay. If only I could figure that out, he muttered. As he looked out of the window thinking hard, he saw an aeroplane flying into the horizon. Horizon means just reaching the sky. I think you'll be learning this about this thing in the 4th standard. Okay, horizon means. As he looked out of the window, he was just thinking hard. He saw an aeroplane. He was just peeping out of the window and he saw an aeroplane crossing there, flying into the horizon. Idea, he shouted. Idea, he shouted. I am going to build a model plane. So he had an idea now. Okay, let me do. So you are doing a model of a house. I will be doing a model of a plane. Let me ask Uncle Shrish. So he said, okay, I will ask Uncle. Okay. Uncle Shrish arrived on Saturday morning. He looked as smart as always. He was a pilot with the Indian Air Force. So one who operates the plane is called as pilot. Okay. Who is a pilot? One who operates a plane, aeroplane, is called as pilot. Suppose if they are driving bus or anything, they are called as drivers. One who operates a plane are called as pilot. And then one who operates a train, they are called as locomotive engineers. They are called as locomotive engineers. So Uncle Shrish was all smiles. Don't you worry, Jeet. You will have the best project in your class. But we must work out a plan. First we need a. So Uncle Shrish, he was describing. You don't worry about the project. We will do together. As he was a pilot, he knew what are the things required and how to construct a model of a plane and all. Don't you worry. You will have the best project. You will be the project will be the one of the best in your class. Don't worry, but we must work out a plan. So before that we have to sit and plan about that. First we need, so whatever project you have to do, you just plan out, isn't it? So the Uncle Shrish also, he was explaining, Jeet, don't worry, we will plan out what are the things required. Design, cried Jeet, who had already found out a thing on making toy planes from the internet with the help of his father. So Jeet was telling he had already found out a thing or two on making toy planes. So he already found out from the internet. he found out how to make a plane and all, toy plane, with the help of his father. Uncle Shrish made a sketch. Jeet wrote down the measurements as Uncle Shrish called them out. So what did his uncle do? He made a sketch of the aeroplane, how the measurements, how it should look, how the wings and how the body of the aeroplane should look, and each thing measurement is very important. Just like that you can't do a model. So Uncle Shrish was helping Jeet. Then with the help of Uncle Shrish, he quickly drew up a list of things they would need. So what he was doing, Uncle Shrish and Jeet both were sitting together, and they thought of an idea. So as Uncle Shrish was explaining, Jeet also started to take a piece of paper and write down what are the things required to construct a plane. One piece of wood for the body. So to construct the model of a plane, one piece is required. One piece of wood is very essential. Some smaller thinner piece of wood for the wings and tail. So for the wings and tail also smaller pieces are required. 2 ice cream sticks for the propellers. Propeller, what do you mean by propeller? Blades that spin, used for moving a ship or aircraft. See here, you can see the model of a plane, okay, and these are the wings and these are called as propellers. One round wooden stick for the nose, a small piece of iron or wire or paper clip for the axle of the propellers. Axle means it's a metal bar that connects a pair of wheels in a car or other vehicles. It is a small metal bar, okay. Then he made the list of tools. So what are the tools required? Just like that you can't construct the plane. So even you require some tools also. Saw, wire cutter, sanding paper, wood glue, drill. All these things are mechanical instruments required for the construction of the model of a plane. Jeet was almost in tears when he opened the toolbox. He was almost in tears means he was very happy, excited. He saw the toolbox. But we don't have all these in the toolbox, he cried. He was just feeling very sad also because he was not having all these tools in the toolbox. Don't worry, said Jeet's father. He said, don't worry, we will buy all these from the market. So they planned to go for a market and buy all the tools also. Let's get in the car. He was eager to get started. So Jeet and Singh Shrish was very excited and to go to the market and buy all these things. They spent the morning at the market buying each item very carefully. So they went to the market, they spent the whole morning there and buying each item carefully. After they came back, the three sat down to the task. So after they came from the market, all the three sat to the task. Mother made them tea and sandwiches. So mother prepared some tea and sandwiches to them because they are sitting almost, they are going to spend many hours to prepare all these things. So they need some refreshments. So mother prepared some tea and sandwiches. Jeet helped Uncle Shrish and his father build the plane. So Jeet's father, uncle and Jeet, all three sat together. These were the three people who sat together to build the model of a plane. They took the bigger piece of wood for the body. Some big piece of wood was there. They took the wood to construct the body of the plane and drew the design on one side. First, they started to draw how to cut. Okay, as like that they can't do the plane. First, they have to draw a rough sketch. So, on the piece of wood, they started to draw the body first. Drew the design on one side. Then they cut out the basic shape with the saw. Saw means garagasa, they say, no, to cut the wood that they used to cut the wood and all. Okay. Then they cut out the basic shape with the saw. When the basic shape was done, they used sandpaper to make the edges smooth. So they have the sandpaper also. Sandpaper means it will be rough. Okay, it is very rough. That sandpaper, I will just show you at the end of the video how the sandpaper will be used. And that sandpaper will be very rough. They used to scratch the wood and all. When once they scratch the wood and all, that portion will be very soft. for the wings and tail, they took some small pieces of wood. They drew the wing and tail measurements on the wood and sawed those off. So what they did, for wings and tail, small pieces are required. Okay. They drew the wing. Later on, first the body part was drawn and then they drew the wing and tail measurements of the wood and sawed. Sawed means all those things, they scratched the wood and all wood pieces were cut off and sawed those off. Then came the fun part. G glued the pieces of wings and the tail together. So what he did, glued means he used the glue stick. Glue stick means to stick the parts and all. They used that. Glued the pieces of wings and tail together. Wings were stuck and then tail also was stuck to the body part of the plane. For the propellers, they used two ice cream sticks. Okay. Here, as I showed, these are the two ice cream sticks. These are called as propellers. They glued the two sticks onto each other in the middle. Jeet watched as Uncle Shrish filed a larger round stick until it was the right shape. That was to become the nose of the plane. Bit by bit, the plane was taking shape. So slowly it was taking a shape. How Jeet was watching Uncle Shrish filed a larger round stick until it was the right shape. That was to become the nose of a plane. Bit by bit, the plane was taking shape. And finally, it was ready. Yippee, shouted Jeet. May I paint it now? Of course, said his father, smiling broadly. Jeet painted the plane bright yellow. So the plane was being painted with the paint color. Its color was yellow color. Can I fly it now? Asked Jeet once the paint was dry. So once the plane was dry, he was very excited to fly the plane also. Of course, laughed Uncle Shrish. Ask your friends to join you. Boy, they will be thrilled. So Uncle Shrish explained, Jeet said to this boy Jeet, okay, even your friends will be very excited and will be thrilled. In no time, Jeet and his friends were running around the playground pretending to fly the toy plane. They were very excited to play the toy plane. What fun, the children cried together. They were very excited to play with that toy plane. Have you thought of a name for your plane? Asked his father. So his father he wants to give a name for that plane. I shall call it Sunshine. So that is the name. Okay. So his father gave a name. His father wants to ask Jeet, have you given any name for your project? So Jeet said, okay, let us name it as, I shall call it as Sunshine. Jeet replied proudly. Jeet couldn't wait to take the plane to the school. So you will be even at home also, when you finish all your projects and all, you will be very excited to show to your teachers and friends and all, isn't it? So in the same way, even Jeet was also very excited and he was just waiting when the next day he wants to take all these things to the school and show to his teachers and all. That night he put his proud creation inside a large cardboard box. So just like that, if you take it and go, it will be spoiled, isn't it? So what he did, he took a big cardboard box, he placed that plane inside. On the box, in bright shining red letters, he wrote. So after completion of all this project, what he did, he wrote on the box. What did he write? Jeet Gupta, class 3, EVS project. He just named the names on it. He wrote the name of the boy and then which class he was studying and then what kind of which project it is, subject it is, EVS project. So this is how they did the project Sunshine, and they have just constructed the aeroplane very superbly. And here in this wrap up option in page number 55 you can see, and here just they have given the numbers here. What you can do, just starting from the number 1, you just see 1, 2, 3 has already been connected. Just you can join the dots and you can draw it as an activity also. You can do this also as an activity. It looks and you can color it with the yellow color also. I think you would have understood by this lesson. And 3 important words are pilot, propellers and axle also. Pilot means one who operates the plane, and propellers, blades that spin, used for moving a ship or aircraft. Axle, a metal bar that connects a pair of wheels in a car or other vehicle. Here you can see Uncle Shresh is sitting with the jeep and he is drawing the model of a plane, and here you can, they have gone to the market to buy the tools and all. Okay, I think by this you would have understood the lesson. Please go through the lesson and read the textbook neatly, and then you can send it through voice message also. You can just read the textbook and send it through the voice message. I hope you understood the lesson, children. Thank you.